Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we're very excited to be able to introduce you to a beautiful 9th month 71 genuine XY GT Falcon, nugget gold black trim. This car is factory fitted, as quite a lot of 9th month cars were, with many of the Phase 3 components. So you've got the 780 Holly, you have got the 31 spline diff, you've got the big tail shaft, you've got the close ratio top loader gearbox, got the rear sway bar, got a lot of items. 780 Holly. So logbook car, 78,000 miles from new. It has had paint only on the outside, so door jambs, etc. are all original. And inside the engine bay and inside the boot, all original paint. Trim is amazing, all original trim as well. But I'll first show you in the engine bay. Okay. And this is basically original, which is amazing. Original engine, and you can see all the Phase 3 items in here with the brake master, and you've got a 780 Holly, you've got the bigger alternator, Phase 3 alternator. So pretty much from a running gear point of view, this is a Phase 3. And here you've got your compliance plate, TL nugget gold black, 9th month 71. Very nice car. Okay, and I'll just show you inside. Let's lock this down. The interior in this car is basically original. So you have a look at the seats, just amazing trim, crash pads perfect. It's got factory installed 8-track as an option. Go into the back and have a look inside this really good car. So basically it's as you can see, it's been rust proof from new. In the cavities you'll see all of the rust proofing. So this car never had any accident damage and never had any rust. And interestingly, it has had 3 lady owners. I'll let you listen to it go off. So basically you got a Phase 3 at a fraction of the price, and factory built. It's even got all the tags still on the diff and gearbox. So if you're interested in this car, please call Mike Selby, Australian Muscle Car Sales, 0414 278 604. Thank you for watching.